Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can add a cleaning schedule into your ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO N8. So first, open the ECOVACS app on your mobile device and click on the cleaning robot. Here, click three dots and click on scheduling. Now here, click the plus icon in the top right corner, and here you can select schedule type, you can select repetition, and here you can set the time. Now if you click save, it will save automatically. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.